Just got this Bronco loaded up for delivery. 76. This one took me about 1,500 hours to build. Basically, I had to remake the entire body. I'm reusing the grille, the hood, the doors, and the radiator support. All the drivetrain and the chassis is original to 302 with C4 automatic Dana 20 transfer case, Dana 44 axle in the front, 4.9" in the back. The color is Brittany Blue. Paint's from Tamco. The top is from Rampage. The color on it is Spice. It's got a vintage air conditioning unit, factory power steering car. It's got power brakes now. Interior kit is from Tom's. So it's a one-piece carpet. The seats are from Tom's. The console is actually for a Jeep Wrangler. Fits perfectly. It's also made by Rampage, so the fabric matches the top. Steering wheel is from Tom's. It's the original instrument cluster. Pioneer head unit. This just holds your phone. This is the vintage air controls. It's got a Holley Sniper and a Hyperspark system. The control unit's in the glove box, so you can adjust timing, ignition timing, and air fuel ratios at idle, cruise, and wide open throttle. It's got Jeep style hinges, so you can lift the doors off if you want to remove the doors. It was a fun build.